Hello and welcome to Vineo. My name is Patrick Offenhausen. Today I will show you how to install PURLINE organic flooring on our underlay mat Silent Premium. This has the advantage that you will have an organic floor throughout your entire system. This is particularly suitable when you don't like your old subsurface anymore and would simply like a quick and simple renovation. Our Silent Premium is permanently elastic and underlay material. Which is made from polyurethane. We extract our polyurethane from rapeseed oil or castor oil. Here, thanks to a self-adhesive surface, we have great adhesion and can therefore install a perfectly normal adhesive variant on top of it. This mat is ideal for underfloor heating. Here we have a low thermal resistance as well as a degree of impact sound improvement in the system, for example, designer flooring with up to 15 dB. And now I show you how to install the mat. It goes without saying that when you're installing the underlay mat Silent Premium, the subsurface must also, as always, be firm, dry, level and clean. As regards this residential flooring, the most obvious recommendation is that it should be cleaned thoroughly beforehand. And now I show you how the underlay mat is installed. Silent Premium is generally 1 meter wide and the roll is 6.5 meter long. When installing the flooring, please remember that the edges are seamed simply. It is important that you don't get an excessively large gap, just a maximum of 2 millimeters. And then you can roll out the room complete with the underlay map, with an important point being the 90-degree angle for the direction of installation. I'll be glad to show you again here. It's got no bond with the subsurface, it's floating. The fact that it is generously filled gives it a solid presence on the subsurface. Now we can get started with the installation of our flooring. We can install either design flooring for gluing or, as in our case, PURLINE organic flooring in the XL variant. When the installment begins, the upper foil must first be removed. It's just pulled back simply like this. Just as far as we need it, we install it. Here too, we work with an edge distance of 5 mm. Normally, I don't need that with the gluing variant, but the fact that we have a floating construction in this case means that we should have an edge distance as well. Here you can see that when you hold it, there's already great adhesive power. Here we are using the so-called dry adhesive procedure. This means that on the surface we have a dry adhesive, which means that they won't get sticky fingers. You can install your panel on it, and after that you have to roll it, with the important point being the higher the pressure, the greater the adhesive power. Now we can start to install our panels here on the underlay mat. We basically install with the light. That means the long side is always aligned to the window. We can now lay the panel, taking the edge distance into account. We can remove or correct to the left and right time and again. Then I can lay it like this. And then I have the option of rolling it a little with the hand roller. It is important that in the seams of the underlay you generally have an overlap of at least 20 cm, so that there is no duplication of the joints. Once you have rolled it, you can see that the material is starting to adhere. Now that we have installed the first row and arranged it nicely, so that we'll have no excess of teeth within the panels, we can start on the second row with a leftover piece from the first row. Here it is also very important to remember that the initial part is at least 30 cm long. In this case, the major issue is not the strength of the connection, but rather the visual and aesthetic considerations. Here too we generally install with joints sealed but tension free. If a joint gap like that develops, or if you have installed a lopsided panel, I'll be glad to show you again that you can simply pick it up again and correct it accordingly. Although Silent Premium is a floating installation, we work here using the dry adhesive procedure. And here as well, the entire surface must be rolled using a 40 kg roller. Around the edges, the entire floor should be rolled again using the hand roller. Simply, quick, clean installations with Silent Premium. That's how quick it is. You saw it. We generally approve this underlay mat only for private use. That means up to utilization class 32. Now you can install the baseboards as well. I look forward to welcoming you again soon. My name is Patrick Ofenhausen. Goodbye.